guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we got this Mercedes in for a full headliner conversion. So we're changing everything that was gray into black. As you can see, I already got the headliner out. I still got to pull the sunroof panel out. All those gray pieces down there are going black. We also got the headliner over there. I already took off the material right there. It was gray. Next, I gotta take off all this foam here. He dropped it off pretty late tonight, so all I was able to do was take off the headliner and take off the material. Tomorrow, hopefully the material comes in so I can start converting this to black. Obviously, I gotta take off all the old foam first, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow once I get here, and then put the new black material on. And like I said, everything else that was gray is going black as well. So visors, the A pillars, the B pillars, the C pillars, I still gotta take them out of the car. That's the project for this video. Hope you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna have a time lapse of me doing the headliner and the suede. We also got a sale going on if you guys are interested. All these colors here, I'm pretty much doing a sale just so I can get rid of them. Carbon fiber, if you want to do roof wrap, hood wrap, $199. We got satin dark gray, full wrap, 20% off. Bubblegum pink, 20% off, full wrap. Blue aluminum, 20% off, full wrap. We also got Nardo gray, it's back there right now. Any of these colors, motorcycle wraps, half wraps, whatever you guys want to do, I'll do a deal on it. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments if you need any work done. I'm gonna come back tomorrow for part 2 of this video. So yeah, stay tuned. What's up guys, it's been a while. I took a week off. The material for the Benz just came in while I was gone, so I ordered some material. It was really bad material, so I returned that and ordered the correct material this time. I'm gonna do the headliner now. I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse while I do that. I also gotta do the sunroof shade and all the pillar trims in the black. So I got this black suede without foam on the back for all of those, and then we're gonna be painting all of these in flat black. So I already painted some, as you guys can see here, in a more like satin finish. The customer didn't like that, so I went and got some flat vinyl and fabric paint. So we're gonna be redoing these and obviously doing everything else in that flat black vinyl and fabric paint. I'm gonna put the camera up, get you guys going on this, and I'll be back once I'm done with that. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we got the main piece of the headliner all laid down already. I trimmed out some of the extra material. I just gotta finish doing the trimming and cutting out the sunroof area, dome light area. Gotta do this other dome light area, cut out the holes for the handles, and then just tuck around the edges over here. But yeah, so far this is how it's looking, black suede. Once I finish that, I'm gonna head over to the sunroof shade, and I'll do that, like I said, in the other material that doesn't have the foam on the back of it. So I'm gonna finish cutting this out, and I'll be back once I'm completely done with this. Here's the headliner all done. The sunshade is back here. Also done in the black suede. So those two pieces are done. I am working on the pillar trims right now. These are the C pillars. I already did the B pillars and the suede. Came out pretty good. Just gotta do the A's, the C's, gotta do the visors, gotta spray these still in black. Here are the handles. I gotta touch them up again. Some they fell off the stand when I was moving it, so I gotta respray most of them again. This one, this one, this one, all of them pretty much. These are doing some weird cracking. I gotta figure out how to get that out. So that's on that one and this one as well, if it focuses. There it is. Headliner's coming along. I'm gonna finish that tonight. We also got Mustang dropped off. If you guys remember this one, I just recently posted it, but I did it last year, January, I believe. So it's getting a whole new color now. Just a little peek into the next video. It'll be that Mustang. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the video for that one. We're going to be removing the wrap and then doing a whole new color. So I'm going to get back to doing these pillar trims, and I'll be back once I'm done with all of them.